Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for Euro USD from 8th till 12th June. So let's begin. We are currently on a 1 week chart. Here we can spot a descending channel being formed. Let's make it from here, just drawing the major resistance, and from here we can see that the Euro USD is currently testing the major resistance. Thus we are bearish on the Euro USD and we can expect a downwards move on the Euro USD coming up. However, this downward move can take weeks, as we are currently on a weekly chart. Thus, on a bigger time frame, it clears that we can experience a heavy selling and we are at a critical point. Thus, going on a 1 day chart, here we can spot or see a descending channel being clearly formed. We can see that the market is currently testing the support, bounces off, testing the support, bounces off, testing the support, then testing the resistance, again testing the support, and again testing the resistance. Thus what we will do, the TP and SL would be as shown. The stop loss would be just placed some around here and the take profit would be here. This trade will give an risk to reward of 1:2. However, this trade can take time. It would not reach its take profit in course of 1 week. It can take 2 to 3 weeks. However, if we see a break through this resistance zone and turning it into a support zone, thus a long position can be created with the take profit and the stop loss as shown. Thus a long position with the take profit of some around here with the stop loss over here. This trade will provide a risk reward of 1:1. Now we can draw the major support for the Euro USD. Let me draw that. Here is a major support for the Euro USD. And let's see, can we spot any divergence? Here we have a spot in the divergence. Here the market is making low. No, we can't spot any divergence. However, we can see that the RSI is on overbought for the Euro USD, which also suggests that we can see a selling pressure coming up in the Euro USD. Moreover, on a daily chart we can spot another support which would be some like this here. Let me draw it here. Thus a break through this, which I have drawn in blue color, will trigger a sale position within take profit of this area within a range of 1.0785 till 1.0707. Moreover, we can draw a trend line which would be which will decide whether we should go long or short on the Euro USD. Let me draw the trend line here. We can see the market testing this trend line some around here, and we can expect a bounce of upwards. However, if the market break through this trend line, this will confirm that the bullish momentum which we have been seeing from some around 18th May is over, and the sellers are in power and the market could head towards a bearish momentum. Now going on in 1 hourly chart, Let me draw the drawings. Here on in one hourly chart, we can spot a support zone and a resistance zone both. Let's draw that. The support zone would be some around here, or in other words, we have spot a symmetrical triangle being formed. Thus a breakthrough upwards would trigger in long position, a breakthrough downwards would trigger in short position. Here we have drawn a symmetrical triangle being formed. Thus what I am expecting for the for the Euro USD is to test this support, and this would be a critical area, and this situation will be in make or break whether the market break upwards. Thus the bullish momentum would continue. If the market breaks downwards, thus our bearish momentum would continue. Moreover, we can spot a descending triangle being formed here. Let me draw that also. It is some around here, some around here. Moreover, we have just spot a divergence which is an regular bearish divergence on one hourly chart for the Euro USD, which suggests that the market could enter in bearish territory as the market is making higher high from here till here, whereas the indicator is making a lower low, whereas the indicator is making lower high from here till here. Thus we have seen a bearish movement in the Euro USD. Thus if till the market respect this resistance trend line, we can experience a downward trend in the Euro USD. So now what a trader should do on, now coming on the conclusion, what a trader should do on the opening on the Monday is what I would go for an sale position due to the technical patterns which I am seeing, within take profit of some around here, within a stop loss some around here. This trade will provide an risk reward of 1:1.35. The reasons I am bearish for the Euro USD is we have spot and descending triangle on an 1 weekly chart, on a daily chart, on an 4 hourly chart, and we are currently testing the resistance at a 3 months high. Let me show that also. Here we can see this top was made between the March, and we are currently testing this zone which is an resistance. Thus we can expect a bearish move downwards. Moreover, we are testing the support. A break through the support would trigger a short position on the Bitcoin. Moreover, we have spotted the major resistance and support zones, and minor also, and we have seen a break through the ascending triangle. So what or where should a trader go for long or short position? Here I have drawn the support, and this support trend line is giving us a crucial information about the market, what the market for the Euro USD will do in the future. Thus we can take a long position with an stop loss of just placed below the support zone, with an take profit just placed below the recent higher highs. However, will not go for a long position on the Euro USD if or only I see a bullish momentum or any fundamental supporting the bullish moment. However, would see or would I will go for a short position for the Euro USD with an take profit of some around this zone, with a stop loss just placed above the support trend support above the support zone. This trade will provide an risk reward of 1:3, and the take profit would be this major resistance which we have experienced. If you haven't watched my previous video on gold, Bitcoin and crude oil, do watch that. The link would be in would be in the end screen or in the description. Do watch that, and if you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching my video.